Are you fishing for cats?
No, I'm swinging for cats.
Oh, you're swinging for cats.
Mommy, look, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, Sophia. I will save it. You're dead. Sorry, guys. I know it smells so good in here because all the milk spilled, but...
Oh, that's right. Oh, you almost got one.
Oh, wow. I really did all spill.
What happened? Why you touch